Hi, my name is Jeff and welcome back to my workshop. Today we're starting a new project. This is a Walthers Proto 2000 F3A unit. I also have the B unit. We'll be working on both of those and custom painting them for the Arlington Valley Railroad, which is my train club's, one of my train club's two freelance railroads. You can see the shell with a number of the parts here. The nice thing about this kit is it includes multiples of some parts so that you can customize how it looks. So we're going to start with the plow, snow plow on the front. So we'll open the bag up. There's 3 of them in here, but we're going to go with the plow because the railroads are based in the Chicago area and we do get some snow here. But as you can see, there are other options available. So you can use one if you're doing a prototype paint job, you can do one to match your prototype. So once we're going to test fit this, make sure everything fits in properly. Looks like we've got a little bit of a gap on the one side, so make adjustments, and it snaps into place, and then we will just glue it, apply a little bit of glue. There we go, looks good now. And I'm just using solvent cement. I like the Fowler because it has this nice needle applicator. It also has some dissolved styrene in it, which helps fill any gaps you might have. We'll give that time to dry. Meanwhile, we're going to select the doors we're going to use on the nose, and then I also have the rear door out. I need to add the diaphragm to that, and then we'll install that as well. So this comes with 2 doors, one nose door with a light opening, one without. I think I'm going to do this without the light opening. We did the one with the light opening to do a dual headlight on the F3A&B set we've previously done, and that was for the club's other railroad, the Cincinnati, Chicago, St. Paul, and Pacific. So I think we'll do this one without the second headlight in the door. So we test fit that, make sure it fits right. We can hold it in place and apply glue from the back side. With that in place, we can get the rear door and diaphragm together, and they just kind of snap, 2 pieces just snap together and on a pivot, and that lets that diaphragm move. And then we can install the door, and again glue it from the inside of the shell. We'll give that time to dry and set. Meanwhile, on the sides, they include 4 different types of side panels here. Each one has different types of louvers and different louver configurations and types. So I'm going to take a quick look and find the one I like. They're hard to see the difference, but some of them are double louvers, some are single louvers. I kind of like the double. So we're going to go with that, and that's this one set here. So these just pop into place here. And we can apply glue on the inside. And while this works well, as you'll see on the other side, I thought a little extra glue, because there's some larger areas where we just have plastic to attach, it might be a better choice. Because sometimes it's hard to spot those little the pinholes that the unit is attached to from inside. I want to make sure it's secure and in all the way. Okay. I'm also going to let capillary action pull that glue in. But on the other side, I think I'm going to make sure I have a more secure feeling sitting, especially in the middle. So we're going to first test fit this to make sure it fits properly. We don't need to do any sanding or filing. We don't. That's good. Now I'm going to apply some glue to the open area between the portholes. And then I can apply this into place. And then add glue to the back just like we did on the first side. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next episode. And also hit that like button. And please share the video. If I'm trying to grow the channel, I'd like to get up to 500 subscribers before spring gets here. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Next week we will be doing the roof details.